Are you dreaming of permanent residency in Canada but don't have a job offer? This is one of the most common questions we hear from skilled professionals in Nigeria. Can I still get Canadian PR without a job offer in 2025? The short answer is yes, and in this video, I'll show you how. I'm Betty, an immigration consultant at Law and Visas. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you for being part of our community. Today, I'll walk you through how Nigerians and other professionals can successfully apply for Canadian permanent residency, even without a Canadian job offer. Let's get started. Is it possible to get Canadian PR without a job offer? Yes, it is. Many applicants receive permanent residency without having a Canadian employer. Canada's immigration system is points-based. While a job offer can help your score, it is not mandatory. What is the best route? The most common option is the Express Entry system, which includes 3 key programs: the Federal Skilled Worker Program, the Canadian Experience Class, the Federal Skilled Trades Program. If you've never worked or studied in Canada, your best path is likely the Federal Skilled Worker Program. You'll need to create a profile on the Express Entry portal and get ranked using the Comprehensive Ranking System (CRS). Points are given based on your age, education, work experience, language ability, and other factors. A valid job offer gives you extra points, but it is not required to be invited to apply. Let's take a quick example. If you're 30 years old, have a bachelor's degree, 3 years of skilled work experience, and score well on IELTS, you could reach a CRS score of over 470. That's been enough to receive invitations in recent draws without needing a job offer. What other options are available? You can also explore Provincial Nominee Programs (PNPs). These allow individual provinces in Canada to nominate candidates based on their local labor needs, and many of them do not require a job offer. Examples include Ontario's Human Capital Priority Stream, Saskatchewan's International Skilled Worker Program, Nova Scotia and Alberta's Tech-Oriented Nomination Streams. These programs assess your occupation, qualifications, and language skills, not just whether you have a job in Canada. What do you need instead of a job offer? To qualify, you'll need strong education credentials, verified through Educational Credential Assessment (ECA), a high score on a language test like IELTS or CELPP, proof of skilled work experience, evidence of settlement funds to show you can support yourself in Canada. Let's clear up a common myth. Without a job offer, I'll be rejected. This is simply not true. Thousands of people receive PR every year without one. What matters is building a strong, complete profile across all other criteria. How can you improve your chances if your CRS score is low? Here are a few tips. Retake your IELTS to improve your language points. Add your spouse's education and language scores to your profile. Apply through provinces with lower CRS cutoffs. Consider studying or working in Canada temporarily to increase your future score. Canada's immigration system is built to attract skilled, capable professionals with or without job offers. If you plan well and present a solid application, PR is very possible. At Law and Visas, we help Nigerians assess their eligibility, prepare documents, and build strong profiles whether or not a job offer is in place. Follow Law and Visas for weekly tips and expert advice on Canadian immigration. Subscribe for clear practical updates. And like this video if it helped you understand your options. Thanks for watching.